push hard. Josh Eller's time, remember, to beat is a 18.75. Trevor Myers, about a half second off of that. A 19.13. Trevor Myers slides into number 2. Boy, this is competitive. And we got a full-size Ford. Oh my. And he's up out of Aberdeen, Maryland in an 89 Ford. Dick Bryant is a Bronco, one of your old school. Flies like a brick. Full-size horsepower, there you go. Extra points just for not knocking down any connects for that. Ends up with a 21.03. Very respectable for that size of vehicle. All right, here comes your two-wheel drive.